The folks that are looking forward to next year thinking it's going to be a magical transformation for you, you're still going to have to work your ass off. Okay, the only thing I'm lending you is the 30 years perception and experience. That's it. That's it. You're still going to be complaining that I didn't tell you when to buy. You're still going to complain that I didn't tell you where to put a stop loss. You're still going to be complaining where the best partials would be and what amount of partials. See, all those things have to be a unique decision. I didn't understand it either. Okay, it doesn't sound like that's how it should work. It sounds like, well, it should be the same way for everyone. How the fuck's that even possible? If it's the same for everyone, if everybody's doing the same fucking thing, how can there be liquidity on the other side of it? You see what I'm saying? That's also the argument that I'm going to pose to you in a little while when we start talking about that 1 tick stop loss. Yeah, we're going there. But I want you to think about how you're going to wreck yourself next year in your learning process, because you're going to try to put more than I'm willing to put on you as your educator. As your mentor, I'm going to tell you where you should be focusing. When I tell you that, it doesn't mean, okay, well, I have extra time and extra energy, I'm going to take on this on top of it. What the hell? Don't do that. And I'm telling you, I've seen this with every group that I've ever had, even before when I was doing one-on-one. I had some students who would come in, they would listen, do exactly what I said, and they'd do well. And then I'd have these guys.
Yo, what is good? A quick little trade recap. Here's the trade that I ended up taking today. One of my craziest entries ever. One of my best entries ever. This was a top tick. Basically 0 points of drawdown. And yeah, ended up playing out for around a 1 to 4. And yeah, pretty much what I saw here. On the higher time frame, we had a SMT at this high. And this was also caused by 10 a.m. news, so we manipulated higher at 10 a.m. Also coming into the day, we had 10 a.m. jolts. So I was waiting on that to even trade. And yeah, we pretty much at 10 a.m. manipulated higher into this SMT at this high. I actually didn't mark it out. That's SMT, but SMT right there. And after that, I wanted a short actually around right here, but I didn't get the closure that I wanted of this inversion. So we edged it. This would have been my ideal trade down towards data low. See, data low was actually not, would have held it definitely further. It just would have been a 1 to 2. So actually this trade was better overall because the risk to reward was better. But yeah, this was an ABS trade. I documented this live as well. I think that's going to be the clip before this. Also, we rebalanced the 4-hour gap above. We had this SMT higher time frame. I was super bearish towards this sell side liquidity on the daily, which is this line right here. If we move this, the sell side right here on the daily, we go on the higher time frame. I'm still bearish towards it. It's just this low, super obvious. We've been selling off. I wanted shorts. And then when I hopped on the 4-hour, we retraced into this 4-hour for value gap. It was already mitigated, but we were still respecting it bearish right here. So that was one of my PD rays. We also had a 4-hour, 15-minute order block. We had an hourly order block as well. Beautiful rejection of that, holding. And yeah, this SMT identified for me that we were gonna reverse right here. So after seeing that, I wanted a short right here. It was on the 30-second. And let's see, let me just put NQ only here. Right there. NQ only. So pretty much my entry was based off this OTE retracement. So higher time frame, I was super bearish. I also didn't think we were going to break past this SMT, and I wanted to see continuation, so my stop was placed above this fair value gap as well. And yeah, I didn't risk a lot on this because of the entry, but overall very good trade. And pretty much also predicted this OB holding. As you can see in the video from before, I predicted this OB to hold because I wanted continuation. So if we see continuation on the higher time frame, I also wanted to see on the lower time frame. So I wanted to see this 2-minute OB hold. But yeah, entry off of OTE after SMT, hourly OB rejection, 4 hour for value gap got rebalanced. It wasn't already mitigated 4 hour, but let's put this like that. But we're still holding it, and we're rejecting the OB. 10 a.m. manipulated higher. We had this market structure shift as well right here. We closed below this wick, and I was just super bearish towards this sell side liquidity on the daily. So yeah, that's pretty much that entry. And yeah, basically went break even at this internal low. Stop loss to break even, trailed around right here, a little bit in profit to cover fees or anything if we got hit break even, which we didn't. And yeah, continuation off this OB. We then made this internal low, fake liquidity, I didn't care about it, and we just displaced through it, completing the market maker sell model, which was sponsored by this SMT and this hourly OB rejection, as well as the OTE. Let's see, I think we also had this 5-minute OB right here as well that we were rejecting. Let's see what else we had. Oh yeah, bearish breaker as well, which is what this is. High, low, higher, high. We retraced into this, retraced into OT, boom, I'm in, and bang. So yeah, that's a quick trade recap for today. Definitely one of my best trades ever, entry wise. Here was the anticipatory breaker as well. I did mark this up a little bit weird, not gonna lie. So it was like a low, high, lower, low. I kind of used like OTE as like the higher high because I was so bearish, but you can see that we still respected that ABS, holding it and then displaced through it beautifully. Called this out as well. So yeah, overall happy with how I traded today. And yeah, it's Tuesday, 2 for 2 on the week. Smacked 2R yesterday, and now we have this as well. So up pretty good on the week so far. It's Tuesday. Rest of the week, let's see, tomorrow we got some news. Should be a really good week actually, looking at the news, ton of red folders. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow for more content like this on Instagram or whatever at krabstrades. Help me get to 1.5k subs as well, huge goal I got. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys aren't subbed yet, make sure to sub. Until next time, peace out.